Welcome back to my southern garden. My name is Michelle and I garden here in Atlanta, Georgia. And it's been a really long time since I did a garden tour. It's a beautiful July day and I have a special guest with me. Who are you?
Emily.
How old are you?
7.
And today we're going to do a garden tour focused on Emily's favorite plants. Are you ready to take us around the garden?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
I like how it's so big, and I like how it's colorful, and it shows up at day and not night, and it's a holly red hibiscus. I like this one because the color is a really pretty one. It has a lot of butterflies. Aw, it escaped from my fingers. It's a pink double perfumation vanilla. I can't say it. It's a pink double profusion vanilla. It's a pink double profusion vanilla. One awesome thing. We got it from seeds and my mommy does not water it and it's beautiful. I like the butterfly bush. Ooh, there's a butterfly on it. Now, welcome to my butterfly garden. Come on. Let's go. Oh, big butterfly on this. Ah, missed it. This butterfly. Wait, what's it called?
Bugster.
This butterfly bush is called butterfly pugster. It's my favorite. I like that purple color it has. And I like to catch butterflies. So, yeah. This is a butterfly candy, and it's a butterfly bush that can stay cute and short. Yeah! I caught a butterfly. I caught a butterfly. It was a big one. It was a big one. I caught a butterfly. Bye-bye, little butterfly. Bye-bye, butterfly. Now, where were we? Oh, I could show you a pretty yellow flower. This is basically a miniature sunflower. It's pretty, it stays short, but it's not a butterfly bush. To the garden! Now I want to show you my veggie garden. Let's go! First thing I want to show you from my veggie garden, my mom planted a few flowers, so I'm going to show you my favorite one, which is my sunflower. The sunflower has a lot of seeds and basically follows the sun. And my daily picking schedule, most of the time I do my cucumbers. And after that, my other one is the tomatoes. If there's no tomatoes, I check the blueberries is what I check next. Since our blackberries died. They're not dead. There is none. My favorite thing about blueberries is that they're sweet and that I can pick them with my mommy. Aww. Blue, blah, blee, blee. Okay. Blueberry. Oh. There are lots of different kinds of basils. One of the kinds are this big basil. This is the biggest, this is the smallest bush, and this is the medium bush. We have a really small leafed one near the mint and come and show you. I also, before that, I want to show you my hydrangea bush. This is not the hydrangea. This is the hydrangea. I don't know what it is called, but I like it. And it goes good with this other plant that's extra pokey. Yeah. This is what I meant by tiny petals. It's so tiny, it's bigger, it's smaller than my fingers, which is off limits. I thought it was just a strange, non-edible plant until we started making tomato soup. Wanted some basil in our tomato soup. My mommy said, "Why don't we get basil for this soup?" So then I was like, "Okay, let's go get some basil." And then my mommy was like, where are you going? So she showed me this. My mom said only one more plant. I saved the best for last. This is my favoriteest favorite. That one's the Emily. So, last but not least, my favorite one of all is this rose. It's the Emily rose. It is from London, I think. It's from London. It likes cold weather. Sadly, it's warm weather, but it still blooms. My name's Emily too, so it's my favorite.
So that is the end of Emily's garden tour. What do you want to say?
I want to say it was fun having you.
Yep. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.